Most GIS tutorials are teaching you the wrong thing. They focus on shapefiles, clicking buttons in desktop software, and workflows that don't scale. But if you actually want to become a GIS developer, someone who builds real-world applications, then what you need is completely different. In this video, I'm going to show you what GIS developers actually need and why learning databases, especially PostgreSQL and PostGIS, can completely change your path. Let's be honest for a second. Most people learning GIS today are stuck in a desktop mindset. You load a shapefile, style it, maybe run some analysis, export it, and that is it. But here is the problem. That workflow does not translate into real applications. In the real world, you are not dealing with one shapefile. You are dealing with thousands, sometimes millions of spatial records. You are dealing with users interacting with maps in real time. You are dealing with APIs, web apps, and dynamic data, and shapefiles simply can't handle that. So the question becomes, what do GIS developers actually use? This is where PostgreSQL comes in. PostgreSQL is an open source relational database. Think of it as the central place where all your application data lives. Instead of storing data in files like shapefiles, you store it in tables, structured, organized, queryable. Now, why is this important? Because applications don't read shapefiles. Applications talk to databases. Your backend, your APIs, your services, they all rely on a database. So if you want to build real GIS applications, you need to understand how to work with data at the database level. Now, here's where things get really powerful. PostGIS. PostGIS is an extension that turns PostgreSQL into a spatial database, which means you can store geometries like points, lines, and polygons directly inside your database. But more importantly, you can run spatial queries. Let me show you something. Imagine you want to find all buildings within 1 kilometer of a location. With PostGIS, you can do something like this. And just like that, you are performing real geospatial analysis inside your database. No exporting, no manual processing, no desktop tools. This is what real GIS development looks like. So why is this so important? First, scalability. PostgreSQL with PostGIS can handle massive datasets, millions of features, no problem. Try doing that with shapefiles. It breaks. Second, integration. Your database connects to everything. It connects to map servers like GeoServer. It connects to your backend APIs. It connects to your frontend apps like React. Everything revolves around your database. Third is automation. Instead of manually running GIS tools, you write queries, you automate workflows, you build systems, not one-time process. And finally, this is how real GIS developers think. Data lives in the database, logic happens in the backend, the map is just a visual layer. Let's connect everything together. Here is what a real-world GIS application looks like. You have a PostgreSQL database with PostGIS. That is where your spatial data lives. Then you might have a map server like GeoServer, which reads data from your database and serves it as map layers. Then you have your backend handling requests, running queries, sending responses, and finally your frontend, a React app displaying the map to use. So when a user interacts with the map, they are not reading a shapefile, they are querying a database in real time. So if you are watching this and wondering, where do I start? Here is a simple roadmap. Step 1, learn basic SQL, understand select, where, and join. Step 2, install PostgreSQL in your computer. Get comfortable creating databases and tables. Then step 3, start working with spatial data. Step 4, load real datasets, practice querying them. Step 5, connect to tools like GeoServer. Then step 6, build a frontend, use React and Leaflet to display your data. And once you can do all this, you are no longer just a GIS user, you are a GIS developer. The biggest shift you need to make is this. Stop thinking like a GIS analyst. Start thinking like a developer. Don't ask, which tool should I click? Ask, how is my data structured? How can I query it? How can I scale it? Because in the end, tools change, but systems stay. If you understand PostgreSQL and PostGIS, you are already ahead of most people learning GIS today. I already have a video that shows you how to install PostGIS step by step and start working with spatial data immediately. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and let's start building real-world geospatial applications.